Coconut sweet bread. A bread from Barbados. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Mix flour, baking powder, and salt. Rub in margarine until coarse like breadcrumbs. Add sugar, vanilla essence, almond essence, raisins, coconut, and chopped glace cherries. Step 2. Beat eggs and milk together. Make hole in the center of the dry mixture and mix together. Step 3. Place mixture in greased loaf pans and cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.